Your lips are a puzzle, and I am the missing piece. Your breath makes me shudder as we slide between the sheets. Your hips are my savior from all the other girls, and I will never stray too far from yours. A cold December and I'm feeling warm. Oh, it's been too long, so darling, won't you let me open your door if you want to see what's in store. I know you want me, babe, but I want you more. Your eyes are on mine, I can see your appetite. But baby, you are an apple and I would just love to take a bite. Your kiss is my anchor from all the girls that roam, and I will never stray too far from home. Now it's the summer months and I'm feeling hot. Oh, it's gonna rain, but darling, don't let it make you stop. You know you want what's in store. I know you want me, babe, but I want you more. I know you want me, babe, but I want you more.
Remove the included scoop and brush from the water tank. The brush can be used to clean your Nanopresso of any excess grounds that can build up over time. The water tank also has a cup attached to it. Next, unscrew the portafilter and remove the coffee filter basket. Add finely ground coffee into the scoop. Transfer the finely ground coffee from the scoop into the filter basket. Be sure to clean any grounds off the rim of the filter basket. The next step is to tamp the coffee using the bottom of the scoop as a tamper. There should be about 4 millimeters of space at the top of the filter basket after you tamp. To ensure proper grind size, use a scale to weigh 8 grams of coffee. Next, put the coffee filter basket into the Nanopresso and screw on the portafilter. Make sure the portafilter is screwed on tight. Next, add boiling water to the water tank. Fill the water up to the line marked on the inside of the water tank. Screw the water tank onto the Nanopresso. Unlock the piston by twisting it counterclockwise. Flip the Nanopresso upside down and start pumping with slow, consistent pumps to build up pressure inside the machine. It should take about 6 to 8 pumps to get up to pressure. After about 20 to 30 pumps, your espresso will be fully extracted. You will know the espresso is fully extracted once you no longer feel resistance in the piston. Once the espresso is fully extracted, the crema should be smooth and golden brown. Enjoy!
EspressoWorks, the all-in-one espresso maker. Equipped with the advanced thermoblock heating system, is ready for use in 45 seconds or less. Fill up the front view water tank. Grind your favorite beans to a fine grind using the easy-to-use plug-in electric bean grinder. Select the single shot or double shot filter basket and guide it into the stainless steel portafilter. Using the tamper measuring spoon, fill the filter basket with espresso grinds. Tamp the grinds firmly. Lock the portafilter into the machine and place 1 or 2 of the ceramic cups under the filter holder. Press the on and off button. After a few seconds, the green light will illuminate, indicating the machine is ready for brewing or steaming. Turn the dial to espresso position and your espresso shot will begin to extract. When finished, simply turn the dial back to the middle off setting. EspressoWorks all-in-one set comes with a powerful, easy-to-use built-in steam wand to heat and froth milk to create a delicious latte or cappuccino.
The accessories which have been included are filter holder, single filter basket, double filter basket, ESC filter basket, and scoop. Plug in your machine. Fill the water tank with fresh, cold water. Close the lid to the water tank. Select the on-off and allow the machine to heat up the water. The machine performs a self-diagnosis cycle, indicated by sequential flashing of the 3 buttons. When the lights stop flashing and remain on steadily, the appliance is ready for use. Attach the empty filter holder, fitted with any filter basket, to the boiler outlet by connecting and turning securely to the right. Extend the hot water steam wand and place a suitably large glass underneath. Turn the steam dial to begin flushing the machine with hot water. Fill the glass halfway and turn the steam dial back to stop the flow of hot water. Repeat this process several times. Next, remove the drip tray and place a suitably large cup under the spouts. Press the 2 cups button and allow the hot water to flush through the system. The machine will automatically stop the flow of hot water. This process should be repeated several times to ensure that the system is fully primed and the machine is ready to deliver fresh espresso drinks. Remove the cup and replace the tray. Your machine is now ready for normal use.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this.